Hello, friends. I am so excited to share with you an app today. So, your last science activity for last week was about stars in the sky and how come you can't see them during the daytime. And not only are stars up in the sky, but there are planets and there's the International Space Station, and you can't see those in the daylight because of the sun, like a lot of you said. But I have an app that you can download today where you can spend some time today exploring and looking at stars and constellations and planets and other things that are up in space. And I'm so excited to share this app with you today. So I'm going to get started. You're going to begin by going into self-service. So you're going to click onto self-service. And this app is called SkyView, so it's going to be in the S's. So we're going to scroll down until we get to the S's. Here it is. And we're going to click install. And it's going to take a little bit of time to install the app. All right. I'm going to click my home button now. I want to look for this app being downloaded. Oh, and guess what? It was on like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? All right. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. For reading some of this, you may need to ask an adult for help there, or an older brother or sister. But to begin, you're going to open the app. Okay. I have this app on my phone. All right. So it says here, welcome to SkyView to find stars, constellations, planets, and yes, there's satellites up in space. And so we're going to begin by clicking onto this blue button here called Next. And it says use your location accurately to identify. So we want to use the location so we can identify correctly, because the world is constantly moving and changing and spinning, and it tilts too. We want to be able to do that. So we're going to say select location automatically. And only allow when using the app, okay? So we're going to click allow using the app. And so you're going to use your camera to help you find objects. So you want to enable your camera. So this is augmented reality, kind of like when we did Quiver, and we used it to take our drawings and they became 3D. It's kind of like this too with augmented reality, but we have to gain access to our camera. So we're going to say use camera, and we want to click on OK here. All right, so that the camera will be enabled and it'll like it's calibrating to your device. So then we can see all the stars and the cool planets and objects up in space. And once we're done, we're going to click the word done here. Okay. All right. And then we're going to welcome to SkyView. All right. I'm so excited. I hope you're as excited as I am. All right. So now this is where I'm at. Now you can see the ground here. Let's see if we can find anything here. Oh, look it. Here is a satellite. All right. Do you see that right there? It's kind of hard to see. It blends in with the ground there a little bit. But there it is. I'm going to click onto it. And oh, it's not a satellite. It's one of the coolest things on Earth, I think. Okay, and it's really not on Earth. Space, but it is the International Space Station. How cool is that? So you click right onto the object and you can see the International Space Station. And I believe we have 3 astronauts on the space station right now, because I'm a little bit of a space geek. And so I'm pretty sure we launched 3 astronauts just a little while ago. I think 2 Americans, and I'm not sure where the other gentleman was from. But look it, you click onto it, and right down below it says International Space Station. All right. You have a couple tools to use here, and I want to be able to go through the tools as well. So the first tool we're going to use is the eye. We're going to click onto it, and this is where we're going to need older adults to help us read the stuff, okay? And it's going to give me a breakdown on the International Space Station. So you might want to ask a grown-up for that. let's see what happens when I put it away. Over on the left here, there are some tools too. Alright, so this has the music that you're hearing. So I could take the music off.
This is a constellation, and long ago people made up names for images in the night sky, and one of the constellations is Sagittarius. So if your birthday's in December, like mine's in December, you're a Sagittarius. And so if I look right here right now, I can see a couple images and I can click on these. So right here is Mercury. If I click onto this black image, let's see what that is. That is the moon. So the moon is right here right now. And then look at this is Jupiter here. So if I click onto it, I can learn all about Jupiter as well. So I want you just to explore this app. All right.